Of our brother, where they call Nnaemeka Onyeka. They say this our brother don't go arise TV, go finally broke the table for president, where they call Bola Ahmed Tinubu. No be smart, now you know the reason why dollar go keep on they go up for inside Nigeria. Anybody where they press a dollar go come down, no, it a dream. You see the reason why this country, as we they talk now, whether they call Nigeria, where we say things, go fit come back to normalcy again as it be before, like people they pray. If you not like more pray from today till next tomorrow, come here waiting this our brother talk. Where you remove people, where if you do the commercial side, where if you do the business side, where if you bring to the table, they bring proposal, they kick and they come out because of tribalism. You think say the country go move forward? My people, let's go and find out how this intake they happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today is the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they had they bring you update back to back as it they hot. For most of my followers, where they say bros I beg, what may they put your face so that we want know you, don't worry. I know be say would they hide our face just because say we get some platforms, some things where would they do. So for this one we feel say we no fee they meet up for face for this, but very soon we will start they put them so that to people, my fans will know who I be. I know they hide at all. Yeah, my wonderful people, let's quickly jump into the matter where we get for our hand today. No be smart, They said that this our brother, where they call Nnaemeka Onyeka, don't finally broke the table. He don't go expose them for inside that place, so what they call House of Assembly. But this one now, he there for Arise TV. There's plenty reason why this country no go everly move forward. No be smart thing. I know say some things where we say would they talk am go be like say that would they for them. No, we know they carry fake news for here. They try to talk things the way it take be. Here waiting this our brother talk, and we go come back, go analyze them more better the way our people will take understand that. Let's watch the video together before we come back and continue.
It's very depressing, and you are even talking about cars and 20 billion naira budgeted to refurbish and build new houses for those already raking in luxury. The president and vice president. You didn't even look at the place where they budgeted 6 billion for car park, 6 billion for car park, 3 billion for books. How many of them can even read? Is to be sincere. And where they budgeted a lot of frivolous things, just like you hear Shehu said, they budgeted 200% for the National Assembly. It's very unfortunate that we've gotten to this level. I was sharing with somebody yesterday. I said, looking at where we are today, the person was telling me, oh, after Christmas dollar will come down to naira. I said it will not come down, because if you look at it, 50% of the demand pressure on the dollar is corruption driven. The same thing with the boom in real estate property businesses in the highbrow areas. If you go to Banana Land, over 50% of the properties are empty. The same thing in other areas. Is one of the ways they launder money is collect the FAC, collect the check, get the IGR, start looking to the Malams and the BDCs to buy dollar, and then look for properties where they will hide it. And every day we claim we are fighting corruption. That budget was simply putting a legislative seal on what they just want to take, share and distribute among themselves, because it does not make any sense. This is a country that is already hemorrhaging. This is a country where you have 1.3 million multi-dimensional poor people. This is a country where insecurity is at its heel. You saw the report that was released the other day. Nigeria is second to Afghanistan in terms of corruption. And we know that at the root of the corruption in Nigeria is the current structure that we run. Between 1960 to 1966, we ran a republic that had lean cost of governance. In fact, the pecs and salaries of public office holders were tied to that of the civil service. Legislators were part-time. You had men like Sir Louis Odimego Ojukwu, reputed them to be the richest man in Africa, as a member of parliament. He didn't go to parliament because he wanted to go there to enrich himself. He was chairman of 15 corporations. He went there to enrich discussions. He went there to make laws that will add to the value of life for the people. You had a young guy that was 39, Dr. Michael Ogbara, as the premier of Eastern Nigeria, old Eastern Nigeria. Between 1959 to 1966, he built 214 kilometer industrial belts. He got consultants from the US. He built an economy that was growing consistently at about 9% GDP per annum. He didn't had the benefit of the fossil fuel revenue. He was using palm oil, coal from Enugu and all those stuff. This young man then, 39, he wasn't 50, he wasn't 60 when he became premier, had an efficient regional police force that was more efficient than the federal police. So much that when they were looking for people that would go and make peace at Congo Democratic Republic, they came to take the Eastern Regional Police. There wasn't like banditry, nothing like insecurity, nothing like kidnapping, nothing like militias, nothing like unknown gunmen. Then you can enter Port Harcourt a truck and go all the way to Kano all night. Nobody will molest you. Today, we have corruption and insecurity, which is the two demons staring us in the eyes. And to tackle insecurity, we must slay corruption. But see what they just did. In 2015, they came up with this story, oh, they want to do zero budgeting, and which is how it should be. You look at what had happened over the previous years, you interrogate performance, and now based on that, but what they simply did was to bring out the 2023 budget, fleshing it, just do some abracadabra percentage increase over what they did last year, and that is it. And they took it, the president signed, and see, I feel sorry for Nigerians. And you saw what they said. They also included 100 million naira for school feeding. If you do not empower the parents of the student, how do you now want to feed them? This is dehumanizing. I've never, Chief Olusegun had an education system in the old Western Nigeria that was very efficient. They had a school feeding program. It's not this kind of babi and magic thing they are doing for Nigerians.
Our system trained many of the people.
Yes, in fact, one of those who benefited told me that even their lunch, they used to have half chicken for lunch.
Correct.
There was competition between the north, the southwest, the old west, the middle belt, the midwestern region. There was healthy competition. You could see everywhere was productive. You had the cotton of the north, the groundnut pyramid. You had the cocoa of the west. Last year, Ghana did $1.5 billion from cocoa. The southwest today can actually do $3 billion from cocoa. The southeast in 1965, Nigeria controlled 45% of the global palm oil market. Today, that market is $72 billion size. Unfortunately, Indonesia and Malaysia came to Calabar 80 years ago to pick the seedlings. Nigeria is nowhere to be found. We consume over 2 million tons of palm oil. We only produce 1,050,000 tons. And we have a country where the palm grows in the wild. I run a group, the Southeast Farms. We came up with a proposal on how the Southeast government can work under the commune, because land inside is owned communally, to develop 100,000 new terra palm plantations. Community-wide, every community, 30 hectares, 50 hectares. We will provide them with the seedlings that does about 30 tons per hectare. We even volunteer to get private sector investors. We will set up cottage factories in every local government area, because the Land Use Act confers so much power.
How long ago did you present it?
That was over since 2019. It does not take anything from them. No response, because it will not afford them the opportunity of just awarding contracts, inflating it 300% and stealing the money. You are not bringing anything. Local government areas, state, work with the communities, provide them. To that day, you saw what they provided for agriculture. To make agric work, you must mechanize it. There was a time they said they wanted to buy 10,000 tractors under the policy authority. I said it's criminality. If you want to do it, work with National Sovereign Wealth Investment Authority. If you go to Aki, we need addition of that. Say, okay, we need $1.5 billion under a private-public partnership arrangement to mechanize agriculture. We have 8,809 electoral wards in Nigeria. In every electoral ward, under a private-public partnership arrangement, there are capable that will manage it. Send them into clusters, bulldozers, caterpillars, harvesters. See, if we have this in place, we can develop 3,500 acres of land in every ward, specialize in every commodity. In the north, Nigeria is the only place where the date palm grows in the wild and fruits twice in a year. Egypt is 95% desert. Egypt consistently decided, okay, we want to use these fruits, these trees, to curb desertification and grow wealth and create oils of wealth. When Bible talked about a lamb flame with milk and honey, that milk is from the cow and the animal husband. The milk is the dead fruits. Egypt had developed, therefore they are the biggest producers of date fruits. Saudi Arabia, as wealthy as they are, from 2006 till now, have developed over 1 million hectares of the date plantation. Nigeria, if the 19 northern governors, we send proposals to them, can decide every state 50 hectares, in 50,000 hectares, in clusters of 40 hectares, it will serve 3 purposes. It will enable you to have agro rangers, 25 armed and fully trained within every locality. They understand the environment. It will help even the pastoralists, the nomadic herdsmen, to see where they can have water and collocate with those guys. 50,000 hectares in every of the states. In 5 years, the northern states across the whole value chain will create 2 million jobs and be able to produce $12.5 billion annually over the next 70 years. But these guys are not thinking. You cannot cure poverty by throwing stipend at people. The average Nigerian with his limbs and legs intact can make 5,000 naira every day. We are not lazy people.
Those people where they shout Jagaban, Jagaban, make una come gather here. Let me tell you people the truth. The earlier is the better. The only solution to Nigeria is may every man go in Papa house. I don't talk this thing so many times. I don't know how many times we will go talk am. All this prayer, fasting and prayer, if you check today, Nigeria have the highest church. Nigeria have the highest Christianity. Nigeria have the highest God. Nigeria have the highest juju. Nigeria have the highest native doctor. But when you come to things where they happen for Nigeria, you know, some of that country self know they pass, and even the poorest country self know they even pass which they pass. Just that the people are very strong. That is why their bone never break. If waiting they go on for inside Nigeria happen for other countries, their bone go break pieces. And they tell you people the truth. The best thing is everybody to go back to a region and manage what they can produce. And start working for their future, for the future of their children, for the future of their region, for the future of their state. That is the best solution. If it did not work, if it did not work, the final solution, every man go carry in load, go in Papa house. Now be the final solution. As they don't talk, restructure and I say no. Everybody go back to your region and I say no. The final solution, may every man carry him bag, go in Papa house. Oduduwa, stay on your own. Arewa, stay on your own. Biafran, stay on your own. Everybody stay on Guinea on your own. That is the only solution for inside all this matter. Now don't hear everything where this our brother talk. The people that have sense of reason are not even getting closer to the presidency, even to the vice. But you will see one person, one aburo from nowhere will come outside. The even youth will start shouting, yeah, say Baba, go do something, say Baba. It's like they are controlling some people in one room. Once they stand on that thing, they stand until that thing don't happen, their eyes go come clear. All of them go come outside, come they talk nonsense. I will play the video. I will show you the video in the next. I will play one video for you in the next video for you to watch how palliative is being shared in Nigeria. Not say they share palliative, but this one now brown, white and brown rice. Have you don't see that one before? Now the latest rice now for Nigeria, white and brown rice. My people, please share this video and make sure say you follow this page for more updates as it is hot. We will quickly see you for the next update, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video. Very, very important. Thank you.